Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me today. So today I'm going to be doing a pearl pour with a Dutch pour combo over top. This is my consistency for my base coat. It does have satin enamel in it, which is what causes the pearls to pop up. And in this recipe, I did not use any of the Deco Art satin enamel, which is what I've been using a lot lately for my white pearls. I just used the bare 7300, and I'm not as in love with the pearls just using the 7300. I feel like they're just not quite puffy enough. You'll see at the end, but that's why I always try to add in a little bit of the Deco Art satin enamel, because it does kind of puff up your pearls a bit. So anyways, this is a Modern Masters pale gold. I'm going to be, actually no, this is champagne. I'm going to be using as my pour over color today, and this is a technique that I will be teaching at the upcoming Fluid Art Experience here in Asheville, North Carolina, May 23rd through 25th. So stick around till the end, because I'll play the trailer in case you haven't seen it or know what it's about. You guys can see what it's all about, so definitely stick around to the end for that. But yeah, this is I'm going to tilt this in real time. Typically I tilt and I speed these up, but I wanted to show you this real-time tilt because I think it does help some of you to know exactly how to tilt. I usually tilt in a circle, and I'm doing these kind of extreme tilts because you want to get off a large portion of the paint, because you want those pearls to be able to pop up through it. And if you leave pools of paint or a lot of paint on the canvas, they will not pop through those. So definitely got to stretch off that paint. I was covering kind of my edge here that it wasn't totally covered. But yeah, so what I am going to be doing is I will show you a time lapse, because basically what I'm just doing is creating a background right now for my Dutch pour to sit on. So just combining these two techniques. So this time lapse was about a half hour. I probably next time would wait a little bit longer. So usually it's about 45 minutes for these to set up, but this one seemed like it took a little bit longer. Okay, so here's my colors. Cosmic Earth or Cos Earth Shimmer. This is a pour paint from Mixed Media Girl. She sent me some of these paints to give a try, and I'm really excited to use them because the colors, these are new colors for her, and they're really, really pretty. That's Cosmic Teal, and the other one is going to be Pearl White. But these actually work really good with this technique because they're already ready to pour, and they are just really pigmented colors, and they work perfect for the Dutch pour portion of this. I did have to add, you can see here, I did have to add a little bit more paint to my lines. And typically in a regular Dutch pour, this you don't have to do this, but because I let my background start drying and it started setting up, it doesn't allow the paint to move across it as easily. So I did end up adding more paint to my lines, but typically you don't have to do this with a regular Dutch pour. And these paints, these mixed pour paints, are like the perfect consistency for this technique. So if you're kind of struggling with consistency, definitely check out these paints because they're great consistency. And these new colors, I really, really love them. You'll see in the dry results how pretty they turned out. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this, and don't forget to stick around to the end for the wet and dry results. And thank you guys all for being here, for commenting. If you have any questions, please let me know. I do read and respond to every single comment. So thank you guys again for being here. Don't forget to stick around to the end, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.